Are you preparing to sell your business but don't know what to do? Have no one to ask? Are frozen? Well, my name is Kenneth French, and hopefully by listening to this podcast, you're going to learn just a little bit. I'm Kenneth French with Vast Solutions Group, and we're your entrepreneurs, tax and financial engineering firm. We've been doing this for 50 years, advising small business owners of all sizes, but really anywhere from 0 to 10 employees, generally speaking. So really what we do is we're brought in before the sale of the practice. We like to be brought in well before the company's sales. Who knows, maybe 4, 5, 10 years before the actual purchase and transition occurs. We have offices from New York to Florida to Southern California to Seattle. So your company is ripe for a sale. Well, now what? These days, your children or employees may not necessarily want to take over the business, but you still want to sell your business. So what's a successful entrepreneur to do? You want to find a buyer, of course, right? Many individual business owners they all know that there's few things as big as selling a business. So what's the number one thing to do? Plan for the long term, as I mentioned. To truly get the most value out of your business, you have to start formulating a plan, maybe 4, 5, 10 years before the transaction occurs. The sooner, the better. Prepare yourself. Have you thought about what life would be like after selling your company, whether it's a dental practice or a construction firm, real estate investment firm, whatever the case is? Well, will you be able to arrange new income streams to replace your business income? A needs analysis may help estimate how much money you will need to maintain going forward in retirement if that's what you choose to do. Readying your business. Look at the company and its immediate rivals. How attractive is it by comparison? What do you think it's worth? Have you developed what's called a unique selling proposition, or USP? Oftentimes the service and performance of your employees may have strengthened or weakened your USP over time. Being aware and honest about your USP may be the key to maximizing the sale. Another key strategy may involve around, your online presence. Is it current? Is it up to date? Does it need a facelift? Make a to-do list of some potential business upgrades and schedule their implementation. Finally, don't forget to analyze the strategic value of your business with respect to a particular buyer, not simply the stated standalone value. Marketing your company to potential buyers. Who are you going to market to? A strategic buyer? A financial buyer? Do you think it would be better to sell your company to a major player in your industry, an up-and-comer? Would a private equity firm be intrigued at all? Your marketing strategy should be strong enough to attract multiple offers, whether pursuant to an asset sale or a share sale. That would increase the value. The more potential suitors willing to pay X for your company, the higher the price could go potentially. Dealing with taxes. What will the tax implication of a sale be? Can you manage it? Keep in mind, this information is intended, by the way, for educational purposes. Now, it's very important that you have an advisor who's helping you through the process and not through just an audio such as this. Hopefully this is helpful, but still, you will need to talk to a trusted tax, legal, and accounting advisor along the way. Negotiating the sale. Make sure you use a properly licensed business broker and certified that they are dedicated to getting the most out of the business as opposed to focusing on the close of the sale. Well, with all your research completed, make sure you get a sensible floor price and be prepared to walk away if an offer comes in beneath it. Pausing after the receipt of a lowball offer may send the wrong message. How competitive are you? If you want to sell the company and start up another one in the same industry, the buyer may demand that you hammer out what's called a non-compete agreement. This will prohibit you from starting a business for a given period of time. This could have huge implications. You need to know going in what you're willing to do as it relates to potentially competing against that existing company. Who knows? Maybe you're going to want to work for that company for X number of months, days, years, etc. Handling change. you may need to put someone else in charge of things during the ownership transition. In addition to being a good manager, you may also want to make sure they care about your clients and customers as much as you do. That could make an impact. Make sure they uphold the values with which you started the company, can help ensure its value during the transfer of ownership. Selling a business is a big effort, and a financial and tax professional will help you along the way. We've done it many times. We've worked with hundreds of people in making their transition orderly, so they are also optimizing the value of the company, so they are happy with the sale. Please give us a call at 888-808-8278 or check us out on the web at www.vastsolutionsgroup.com. We're here to help with all our expertise. As you're looking at the website, you will see that there's a lot of expertise. That's the reason we've gotten so many recommendations, so many referrals. We're here to help you. Who knows? Maybe we can help you get an extra $1 million that you wouldn't have gotten otherwise. Once again, Kenneth French, thanks for taking the time to listen to this audio in some way. I hope it's changed your life for the better.